A very good morning to all my friends and well-wishers. Welcome back to our channel IIT JEE Mains. Previously we discussed part 1 and part 2. Links are given in the description. You can watch it now. IIT JEE Mains part 3, third part we are going to discuss. So already we have gone through part 1 and 2. So let us see it now. If f of x given log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, where mod x less than 1, absolute value of x less than 1, then we have to determine its value. Whether A, B, C, D, which options are going to suit. So A is nothing but 2f of x, this is 2f of x square, this is f of x whole square, and this is minus 2f of x. This has been asked in JEE Mains 8th April, shift 1 and in the 2019 year. So it plays important role. It comes under functions. It is also called as mappings. Okay, let us start now. So solution. So given f of x is equal to log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Okay, with respect to the base e where mod x less than 1. Now we have determined its value. So therefore consider f of 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay. So replacing x with 2x by 1 plus x square in the defined f of x. So be careful here all the viewers. Okay. So I can write now log of 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square by, here I can write 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square. So be careful all the viewers at this situation. It plays important role. So here with the defined f of x, here I have considered this one f of 2x by 1 plus x square. So replace x with 2x by 1 plus x square. Now, so you have numerator and denominator, both are fractions. So simplifying separately numerator and denominator. Nothing but here taking out the LCM. So by 1 here, next by 1. So LCM what I will get here? Nothing but log of, with respect to the base e here, I can write here 1 plus x square minus 2x by, here 1 by 1 plus x square. And here I can write again 1 plus x square plus 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay. Now here the numerator, here itself we can cancel 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square. Okay, denominators both has been cancelled. And the leftover part I am writing here. So 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square plus 2x with respect to the base e. And if you observe carefully, numerator takes the form of a minus b whole square and denominator is a plus b whole square. Now I can write here log with respect to the base e. I can write here 1 minus x the whole square by 1 plus x the whole square. Numerator a minus b whole square and denominator is a plus b whole square here after this. Next, this is in the form of a power m by b power m. I can write a by b whole power m, nothing but 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole power 2. Again with the basic knowledge of logarithms, I can write here 2 times of log 1 minus x by 1 plus x with respect to the base e, nothing but 2 into, here this takes the form of log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x with respect to the base e, nothing but defined is f of x. So this is nothing but 2 of f of x. So 2f of x. Okay. So therefore I can write hence log of, hence f of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to f of x, where my f of x is defined as nothing but here f of x is equal to log with respect to the base e 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So this plays important role here, okay, which nothing but after completing the problem, A option here it is, and just I have gone through the LCM, substituted here, this step plays important role. Next, after this here I applied a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square, so by a minus b whole square, next a plus b whole square. Next, I have written this one. Next, here a by b, a power m by b power m, nothing but a by b whole power m. Next, here nothing but log a power m is nothing but m into log a. Whatever the base it may be. Okay, so this is, let us mark as equation 1. So this is by 1. By the definition of f of x I have written. Next, this I have written with definition of our equation 1 f of x. So this also by f of x or by 1. So it's very easy, no need to fear, it plays crucial role, important role for various Olympiads also. Okay, so whatever the Olympiads are writing in the school level, it is also important. So please keep it in mind, go through it, no need to fear. It comes under functions or mappings in the +1 standard for the nothing but intermediate students, and for IIT JEE, and for at the same time your IIT JEE foundation for the school levels, various Olympiads. Once you have the total look, now let us go through the second problem here. If x is equal to 4 power n minus 3n minus 1 such that n belongs to natural number and y is equal to 9 of n minus 1, n is a natural number, then we have to determine x union y. Okay, so what we are going to get, that we have to consider. This has been asked in JEE Main 2014. We are going to get natural number or y minus x set or x set or y set, the D option. Okay, so listen carefully. It's very easy, don't be panicked by seeing the question. Okay, let us go through it. So x is equal to, solution, given x is equal to 4 power n minus 3n minus 1, where n is a, n belongs to natural number. So this implies capital X is equal to, just go on substitution of the natural numbers. Here n is a natural number, so small n belongs to n, so n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. We are going to get the elements in the set. Okay, so 4 power n 4 minus, here it is minus 4, nothing but 0. Next, second, here n is equal to 2, 16. Okay, so this is x set by considering the values. Next, consider y is equal to, also y is equal to what is given here, nothing but 9 of n minus 1, where n belongs to natural numbers. Let us list out the values of y here, the elements. So y is equal to nothing but n is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, so 0 into n, 0 into 9 is 0. Next, n is equal to 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 9 ones are 9, so n is equal to 2, nothing but n is equal to 3 here, 3 minus 1 is 2, 9 to the 18, so on, 27. So like that you are going to get the multiples of this one. Okay, so this is a x set and this is a y set. Still, if you need, you can go for some of the elements of x and some of the elements of y. So clearly I can say that, so clearly all the elements of x are present in y. So I can write here x is subset of y. But our intention is to get the value of, to get the set here, whether ABCD options which is going to suit nothing but x union y. So here by observation x and y, here x is subset of y. So hence I can say that now if you are considering the union between the two sets x and y, here x union y, nothing but you are going to get here y. Okay. So y is nothing but according to our option, it is nothing but D option. So D option. So this is equation 1 and this is 2. Okay. By 1 comma 2 I can say. So this is the important result. So like this you are going to get the y set. So it's very simple here, nothing is there, just go on, replace the elements, and the basic knowledge of sets you can overcome this problem. Okay, so also meant for here various Olympiads. M set also we can assume, etc. Okay, so this is the second problem. So like this we can go through each and every problem. It's very easy, nothing is there in the second problem. So don't be afraid by seeing the questions. Every question has its own importance. So like this you can have the easiest questions also. So once you have the look. So don't forget to subscribe to get more updates. Like, share, subscribe our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Signing out, this is your Santosh.